Think about tomorrow morning. You roll over, tap your phone, and before you even scroll memes, you see Stripe, PayPal, and Cash App notifications stacking like Tetris blocks. $9.97 template sale, $3.75 dividend drip, $21.40 overnight pod royalty, another $15 affiliate bump haul while you slept. Your passive income equals the dust bunnies under your desk. Whether you flip that reality and bank $50 a day while binging, Netflix or stay stuck in the trade, hours for dollars hamster wheel comes, down to 7 split-second choices you'll make in this video. Ready? Type asset mode in the comments if you'll actually drop an answer for every fork. Seen one idea magnet or idea mud? You open ChatGPT, option ask how to make passive income, and swallow the same 5 tired tips. Option B prompt. List 15 underserved micro niches where digital downloads, dividends, and affiliate reviews can overlap. GPT spits gold like urban balcony vegetable journals, minimalist podcast workflow templates, frugal homeschooling habit trackers. Comment A or B. Scene 2. Dividend doorway. Robinhood notifies you of free stock promo. Option ignore. Stocks are scary. Option B. Sell the free share. Transfer $100 side hustle cash. By SCHD fractional. Toggle dividend reinvest. First passive dollar seeds. Vote A or B. Pattern interrupt number 1. 2-second overlay of SCHD dividend clocking in at 14 cents microdopamine. Keeps retention curve flat. Scene 3. Digital Asset Forge. You chose Urban Balcony Veggie Journal. Option over research fonts. Stall. Option Beam Bidge Journey. Imagine flat vector herb icons pastel. Drop into Canva. 20-page planner. Duplicate pages. Finish in 40-minute. Comment A or B. Scene 4. Multi-platform launch. Listing time.
Option upload.
Only to Etsy. Option B. Triplelist, Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify light with UTM tags. More shelves equals more shoppers. Vote A or B. Mid-video engagement spike. Pause, prompt viewers to screenshot their emoji string and a geese story tag at MoneyLupi. Caption asset hunt begun. I repost every tag and highlight passive wins. Sending new traffic to replay this episode. Scene 5. Affiliate amplifier. Planner buyers ask for balcony fertilizer rec. Option adjust reply brand name. Option B. Sign up Amazon associates. Create pretty link recommend. Organic Fert. Drop in Gumroad receipt page and YouTube description. Comment A or B. Pattern interrupt. Number 2. Flash screenshot of Amazon commission email. You earn $2.33. Tiny. Out. But proof. Scene 6. Print tone demand parallel. Your herb icons look cute. Option A shrugged. Option B load PNG's 2 Redbubble sticker pack plus merch by Amazon Grow Greens. Royalty 20%. Type A or B. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.